Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use Grok AI tool to create bulk videos. Here I can go and type Grok AI and I can open this website. As we know, this tool is developed by Elon Musk team. And now let me click here sign up button. Here we can create a free account, so we can use Apple, Gmail and directly sign up with email account. Okay, after creating account, now we need to install a Chrome extension. Here you can go and search for Grok automation Chrome extension. Here you can go and open Chrome store, then click here add to Chrome button. To install any of the extension in this Chrome browser, so this one is the easiest and correct method. Now extension is installed, click here pin button. And after that, now we need to open ChatGPT. Here we can type write 10 prompts to create short videos, duration 6 seconds. After that, here you can add the topic. For example, let me add here animal. Within couple of seconds you will get all of the prompts here. Now you can copy all of the prompts. Let me copy it, and after that go back here, open this Chrome extension, and here you can select the option text to video, image to video and frame to video. Okay, after that here you need to set up prompt delay, so let me select 20 seconds, and here we need to add the prompts. So all of the prompts are added. Click here setting, then scroll down. Here you can select the model, and 16:9, this one is for the long videos, this one is for the short videos. Click here. After that, here you can select the number of videos. Okay, everything is fine. Here you can select the download quality. Now let's go back, scroll down, and here you can see it is automatically detecting all of the prompts that we have added and duration. Scroll down and click here run button. Now it will automatically generate these videos, as well as this tool will automatically save these videos in your laptop. So let's wait for a few seconds and see how it works. So it has started generating first video.